when divided by 9 gives 7 as a remainder. What will be the remainder when 3n minus 1 is divided by 9? Means see, there is some integer which is divided by 9 and remainder is 7. So suppose let's say the integer is 29. Okay, not 29, remainder is 7. So let's say the remainder number integer is 25. Then what? 25 divided by 9, so 18, and remainder is 7, right? It's like this. So how do you express 25 then? 9 into 2 plus 7, right? So similarly, if this number is instead of 25, it is say 34, then what? 9 into 3 plus 7, right? It means what? Suppose if the integer is n, then it will be 9 into q. Q is again an integer plus 7, right? Now what we want is 3n minus 1. So n equals to 9q plus 7. So 3n equals to 27q plus 21, right? Up to clear up to this point? Okay. Now 3n minus 1 we want equals to 27 plus 27q plus 21 minus 1, right? That is 27q plus 20. Okay. Now we want divided by 9. So 3n minus 1 upon 9 equals to 27q plus 20 upon 9, right? Okay. Now check these. 27 is directly divisible by 9. That's okay. So no remainder will be there. And 20. 20 is what? 18 plus 2. So 18 plus 2, write this. So when you divide this, 9 ones are 9 threes are 2s are, and this 2 remains as it is. This can't be divided. So the remainder is 2. That is the required answer.